Hello guys, welcome to Kraku. In this video we'll be discussing about the Maharashtra CET 2021 examination. First we'll be briefly discussing about the syllabus, exam pattern, eligibility criteria, top colleges and then all about the Kraku MHCET 2021 crash course. Firstly, as we know, the registration for the MHCET 2021 has already started in the second week of Jan and it will continue till the third week of Feb. If you haven't registered yet, please register on their official website cetcell.mahacet.org. Now let's discuss the exam syllabus and the exam pattern. First, as we know, a notification was released earlier in December 2020 saying that the duration of the exam will be 120 minutes. But later in the first week of Jan, a new notification was released and it says that the duration of the exam is back to 2.5 hours. So as per the new notification, exam pattern remains unchanged. So the duration of the exam will be 150 minutes or 2.5 hours. Total questions will be 200 and there will be 5 options for each question. There will be 1 mark per question and there will be no negative marking. And there will be no sectional cutoff and no sectional time limit as well. Now coming to the exam pattern of the MHCET exam, there will be 4 sections. The logical reasoning section has 75 questions. The abstract reasoning section will be having 25 questions. The quantitative aptitude will be having 50 questions. And the verbal ability and reading comprehension will be having 50 questions. Now coming to the logical reasoning section, which makes the major chunk of the examination. The topics here will be linear and circular arrangements and distributions. And there will also be some other questions on critical reasoning, coding, decoding, blood relations, directions, syllogisms, series completion, input, output. Now coming to the abstract reasoning section of the CET exam, majorly the topics given here will be series completion, odd one out and analogies. In series completion, basically we will be having a series of 5 images. 5 images will be given and you will be asked to find the next image that logically fits the pattern. So we will be having series completion and odd one out and there will be around 14 to 15 questions here. Other part is analogies. And there will be around 9 to 10 questions here. In analogies, we have to identify the relation between 2 figures and choose the option that carries the same relationship. Now coming to the quantitative aptitude section, this again has 50 questions. And the major topics in quantitative aptitude sections will be arithmetic, algebra, a few questions on geometry and mensuration, and a few data interpretation questions like graphs, charts, tables, Venn diagrams. The major chunk of quantitative aptitude section will be arithmetic. There will be around 20 to 25 questions from arithmetic and around 4 to 5 questions in algebra and around 3 to 5 questions from geometry and mensuration. And the remaining will be from DI and miscellaneous topics like probability and numbers. Now coming to the verbal ability and reading comprehension section, there will be 50 questions from this section. And the topics will be reading comprehension and there will be grammar based questions. The grammar based questions will be error correction, spelling or inappropriate usage, sentence completion and word arrangement, and there will also be few questions on vocabulary, antonyms and synonyms, and there will also be 5 to 6 questions on parajumbles. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, the eligibility criteria remains unchanged. So candidates should be having a minimum of 50% in their graduation and at least 45% in case of reserved category candidates. And also the final year graduate students can also apply for the CET 2021 entrance exam. So these are some of the best colleges that accept the CET 2021 scores. And the cutoffs for these colleges for all India category students in 2020 was 99.97 percentile for JBIMS. The cutoff for Shimshri was around 99.93 percentile in 2020. For Wellinger, the cutoff was 99.82 percentile. And for Pumba, the cutoff was around 99.7 percentile in 2020. For SIES College of Management Studies, the cutoff was around 99.68 percentile. For St. Xavier's, the cutoff was 99.58. For Chetna Ramprasad, the cutoff was 99.39 percentile. For Mets Institute of Management, the cutoff was 98.86 percentile. For RISB, the cutoff was 97.44 percentile. And for Sri C, the cutoff was 102. The raw score was 102. This was the cutoff. And for Vivekananda Education Societies Institute, the cutoff was 95.84 percentile. Now, among these colleges, the best and the top 3 colleges will be JBIMS Mumbai and Simsri and Wellinkar. JBIMS, this is one of the best B schools in India. The fees for their flagship MMS program is around 6 lakhs and their average salary offered in their placements is around 22 lakhs per annum. And their highest package is around 32 to 34 lakhs per annum. Now, coming to Simsri, the fees for their MMS program is around 1,40,000 for 2 years, and the average package offered in their placements is around 12 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is 21 to 23 lakhs. Now, for Wellinkar, the fees for their 2 years PGDM program is 11 lakhs, and the fees for their MMS program is 6 lakhs, 6 to 7 lakhs. And their average package during the placements is 10 lakhs and their highest package is around 18 lakhs. Now, coming to the crash course for MHCET 2021 offered by Krakow. So, Krakow is launching a crash course for MHCET 2021. So, the course will be starting from 1st February 2021 and will be giving you a detailed 1-month daily schedule regarding the same. The course covers the entire syllabus and there will be a special focus on logical reasoning and abstract reasoning, because logical reasoning section is the major chunk of the exam. There are 75 questions in logical reasoning, and the details regarding the crash course is mentioned in the description below. You can check the link in the description. You can also enroll for Krakow MHCET mock test series. We provide 10 mocks that are closest to the actual exam. There will be a very thorough analysis of the mocks which will help you improve your scores. The link regarding the Krakow CET mock test is provided in the description, so you can check it out. And please make sure to follow our website and YouTube channel for regular updates, and if you have any other doubts you can ask them in the comment section below. So thank you so much guys, and all the very best for the exam.